Okay, so when everything has been created and it has been deployed, you will find that we have this container registry. Then, yeah, we see, sorry, in the Kubernetes services, we will see that we have this service already, the cluster already created. Once we go to the resource group, we will see all of the items which are on the resource group. Then we will see this container registry. This container registry, we just click on it, and under repositories, we will see new repository created. So we click on it, and we see that there is one already with a tag. So what I am going to do now is I will run an instance of this, and it will basically request me for the details to create this. So demo container 101. I'll leave it on Linux and select my subscription. I will create it on this resource group, and I'll hit OK. So once I hit the OK, it is starting to deploy the container instance, and then I will be able to navigate to or access that container instance. So let's see how the deployment is going. It is deployment that resource to the resource group I selected, and it will take a couple of minutes. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so it seems it has already been created. We see that deployment container instance was already created. So we should see the details for that resource already created. We see that the deployment details, we already have the information that this container has been created, and if we select it, when we go and see the container details, we will have this IP address. So if we copy that IP address and we paste it in a browser, we will be able to navigate to that application which is running as a container with Azure Kubernetes services. So that's the way to easily create or integrate the Azure Kubernetes services and Azure DevOps together to quickly create applications. So yeah, if you like the video and if you would like to keep learning more about Azure.NET Core, Unity3d, Power BI, please subscribe to the channel or send an email. Thank you very much. Have a good day.